This is a brief video to show you how to restore or repair a Mercedes 190e side vent, either left or right. Some of these vents, you'll notice that the middle louver right here becomes floppy, and that's because one of these little stays in here breaks off. As a matter of fact, in this one, two of them broke off. So you'll need to pull this out. But first you'll have to remove the louver. In order to do that, you'll need to use, I use a pliers like this, and I grasp it here and pull out gently. Same on the other side, and just ease it out gently. These are old, and many of these are very old actually, and prone to breakage. So ease it out slowly, they come straight out. And then I'll show you a way you can restore this to its normal function and repair it. The items you'll need for repair are a needle nose pliers, preferably a small one, a cutter pliers, and this craft wire. It's a plastic coated wire that you can get at most craft stores, used by florists, people that make door hangings, wreaths, and stuff like that. But it's a very nice, versatile wire. So that's what you'll need to repair, something like that. So this is the front side, and again, this will be floppy if it's broken. There are little tabs in there that break off. And this one I think you can see where they've broken off. This has normal tabs. The other one, tabs are broken off that they allow this middle louver to rotate. So what I've done is just taken the wire and I've run it from the front through a hole, no drilling needed, run it back between the two louvers and around, forward, and then the other end I just simply twisted it, and lo and behold, that seemed to fix the problem. So now I can move this like that. It's even got a nice little click to it, but it does move the louvers in concert with one another and repairs that broken middle louver. So these are very expensive to buy new, so I hope this helps someone out. Thank you.